Hi there, folks. This is Sweetie's Kettle Corn here. So today we're going to make a Halloween popcorn. We're going to do black, green, orange, and we will do a kettle corn all throughout. So we're going to try to do. Oh yeah, and we'll also do a purple if we have it. If not, we'll do the main colors, the green, orange, and black to try to make a Halloween flavored popcorn. I've actually been doing some research, and some people actually do a food color gel. So we'll try to do some of that today. See how much it would work today, and then we'll add also the flossine flavors with the food coloring gel as well to try to get more of a green flavor, and then we'll go from there. So this is all kind of a new territory for me. I've seen some pictures before of some people doing it, and they come out really well with the gel. So we'll see how this works today, guys. This is Sweetie's Kettle Corn. Let's get it going. Well, I see it being black now, so we'll see. Oh, this is actually a blue popcorn. Damn it. Maybe I can try and save it. There we go. Hello. There we go. This is the kettle corn, yes. I want to go back over there. I'm going to dump it here too. That's really goody. All right, there we go. Yep, thank you, ma'am.
Realize I already cooked my salad or popcorn, huh? Who's got the salad? Let's try that out.
Look how beautiful it is. Yep, thank you, ma'am.
I said the salad's pretty too.
What's that?
The salad.
Ah. Here we go.
She came up here with a popcorn.
Hey, guys.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
This is my friend Mike. I had dill pickle for you today.
Hey,
And this is
boy.
my buddy Ned. He's here helping me today. I'm making a Halloween popcorn today.
I was going to say, that is weird looking.
It's going to be a Halloween popcorn.
What's in it?
It's going to be green, orange, and black.
Whoa.
And
What-
kettle corn.
What makes it be those colors?
Sugar, colored sugar, and food coloring. It's an experimental process.
It's pretty cool looking, boy. be $50. Sometimes we get the thing big.
And then we're gonna do orange next. What's that?
Like green, orange, and black in the same bag.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. Correct.
Good.
We'll figure out how it goes. But I got the dill pickle ready for you over here, guys, for small 6 or the mediums 8.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks.
It's extremely slow today. Where is everybody?
It's too pretty.
Mix this together?
I'll do it.
Huh?
I'll do it. So then we can continue recording it.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
Fine. You're good. All right, ready? Look how pretty the orange is.
There you go.
All right, then we'll do the black now.
What do you guys think of stupid?
Yeah. We'll probably be fine with just 2 colors today. There you go.
I think it's like to put it on there.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Now we'll do a black. have caramel corn on the far end. I have white cheddar in the middle. I have some pork rinds today. I also have caramel corn Old Bay, dill pickle, and kettle corn.
May I please have a
So the plain, they're different colors. This is plain. I have a bacon cheddar and I have a sriracha lime.
which one is this?
Let me see. So that's a sample.
Oh, that's a sample. Okay, sorry.
This is a plain. This is a bacon cheddar and this is a sriracha lime.
I will do the plain.
You get my last plain one, and then what else would you like?
Some kettle corn.
And I do small bag for $5, a medium for $7, a large for $12. And if you get a kettle corn, you get $1 off.
Let's do a large.
Then your total will be 11 plus 7, and that's 18 is your total. Look how cool. Yep. That's actually a pretty cool bag. It actually looks pretty cool. All right, this is Schmitty's Kettle Corn again, guys. We're finishing up our display here. We have orange, we have green, and we have the black. The black was kind of disappointing, I guess. Maybe I could do sugar and then actually do the coloring maybe a little heavier, or maybe I could throw in some purple to try to get it a little bit darker. Otherwise, it's going to be passable. I wish I could figure out how to get the colors more thicker and brighter rather than just a partial coating. I guess that's the difference between doing it here in the kettle versus the caramelizer. So with that, this should be kettle corn. Any other flavors or recipes, feel free to give me a list of what you guys want to see. And thanks for watching. Thanks for following, guys.